Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from my ordinary grocery store. Today we've got a treat for you. This is going to be so awesome. We are going to fix and prepare bacon wrapped cheesesteak meatloaf. Folks, I'm telling you, I saw this recipe on social media. I believe it was from a page, just to give credit where credit's due, from a page called Twisted. And this thing looks so incredible that I just had to give it a try. Twisted got 73 million views, and I'll get 200 views because I ask you to take 5 minutes, just 5 minutes to stick with me and learn to prepare this recipe. And the other reason is because I never go without giving credit where credit's due to my ordinary grill dog, Sherman. Good catch, buddy. Good catch. Good catch. You're a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Everybody should have a grill dog because when you drop food on the floor, you don't have to bend over to pick it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash my hands because we always wash our hands when we cook, especially when we're cooking with dogs. So I'm going to start with 2 pounds of ground beef. You know, some people like the 90% lean. I went with 2 pounds of just 80-20 here. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of red cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. We like the pepper! We love the pepper! 1 teaspoon salt. So now, we're just going to work our mixture, our spices, into our ground beef with our hands and get that all good and seasoned up. So next, we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 360 degrees. Notice the Cooking with Kelbob sign. Grill mother-in-law bought me that for Christmas. See, I've already pre-chopped 1 onion and 1 green pepper. And we're going to start sauteing that in our olive oil. I'm also going to add a teaspoon of salt. My saute. And let these go probably about 10 minutes. Get them sort of browned up. Now, here's where this thing starts going out of bounds a little bit. This is where we're going to change the batting order on your traditional meatloaf. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my meatloaf and I'm going to cover this 13 by 9 baking dish with tin foil, and I'm gonna lay it all out so the meatloaf itself is the ground beef is square with the baking pan, and it's just a process. You know, I used a rolling pin, but an ordinary water glass works better. And you can see I'm just working the ground beef into a rectangle, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to roll this up. This is a cheesesteak roll, bacon wrapped cheesesteak meatloaf. So once I have something that looks like that, I'm going to take 12 to 15 pieces of provolone cheese, and I'm going to line my meatloaf. He loves cheese, folks. Grill dog just loves cheese. Come here. You want some cheese? Want a piece of cheese? I love cheese too. Provolone. Folks, we're having so much fun with Cooking with Kelbob. We started doing Eating with Kelbob while we were out on the road last week. A lot of you tuned into that. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. We really appreciate it. We've got our, you don't like that, we've got our onions, and I kind of cook these up, and we're going to put that on top. Work that on our cheese, and I'll show you this. That's what it looks like. I'm going to wrap this. And I'm going to take my bacon, and this, by the way, is Broadbent's Applewood smoked country bacon. This was a gift from our friend Amy and our brother Joe, who I know watch, super fans. Thank you. So we're going to use some really good bacon here. I'm going to lay this out lengthwise. Then with my loaf, wrap loaf, I'm back on top of the bacon. With the bacon wrapped around it. I learned something at chef school. It was a wise old wino chef, and he said this to me. You can fry a turd in bacon and it still tastes good. Wrap my loaf. 20 minutes covered. Into the old oven. You just love for me to make a mistake, wouldn't you? Now, we're going to cook another 30 minutes of uncovered. It really smells good. I wish I could package up what it smells like in this house right now. It smells so good. It smells like Philly cheesesteak with provolone cheese and bacon, and oh my gosh, it's just heavenly. And oh, there it is. Look at that. Ooh, look at that, folks. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna sort of slice some of this up. Try it. Oh my gosh. Folks, bacon wrapped cheesesteak meatloaf. You got to try this. You have this is a simple, easy recipe. Oh my gosh. It is so juicy. Thank you to everybody. This is my favorite part of my job, by the way. Kelbob, out.